When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimi, and today's video is a kitchen reveal, which you're already seeing parts of. So real quick, I'm going to show you what our kitchen looked like before in picture form, because I delete all my old footage from past videos. So here's what our kitchen looked like before. So it was really dark. I thought it was pretty. I really liked the dark wood, almost like reddish undertone looks. But when it comes to filming, it is so difficult. I can only film in so many spots in the kitchen without it looking completely dark in here. And I know that's not great video quality for y'all. So I was like, you know what? Let's make my cottage kitchen dreams come true. And we're going to paint the cabinets white. How much brighter can you get than white? So I definitely wanted to keep my green countertops and my floral wallpaper, which a lot of you have told me is on trend now, so that's exciting. But I wanted to brighten up my cabinets, so that is just what we did. We had painted our bathroom white, so we used a Valspar paint and primer mix, and it was, I will leave the name right here for y'all of what the paint name was. I think it's High White or High Tide White, something like that. It's white. And I had quite a bit of that left over from painting our bathroom walls, so I didn't actually have to go out and buy any more paint. This cost us to do a lot of time, and I would say about $20 worth of that $30 bucket of paint, which is insane to put $20 into a kitchen. Now our kitchen is small, so if you had a ton of cabinets, or you were wanting to also paint your walls, or you're wanting to paint your countertops, which I probably, you know, I would not use regular paint to paint countertops, but depending on how much you have to paint, you may need to spend more money. But I just want to tell y'all that it goes to show you don't have to put a lot of money into a space to make it look completely different, because you saw the picture of before. It looks so different in here, and I am in love with it. I find myself stepping back as far as I can and looking at the full picture of it. So that is actually what I'm going to show y'all right now. I'm going to show you my kitchen.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
vision was to have a cottage farmhouse kitchen, and I really feel like, based on Pinterest photos, that I made it work with what I had. I had the paint, I had all the tools from the other rooms that we have been focusing on, and I just did it. Sometimes you just gotta go for it, even if you have no clue what you're doing, because I've never done a project this big before, but I do love it because it feels like this is me in a kitchen. This tells you everything you need to know about me, and I love that. That's what styling your home is about. It shows people who you are. So I'm learning that, but I'm gonna go ahead and go into a little bit more detail with all this stuff. Also, those of you that were there for my launch of my new clothing line, y'all are amazing. Thank you so much for all the feedback on Instagram and on the community tab. Woo! I am wearing one of the sweatshirts today. So this is the just regular classic premium hoodie. And it says Messy Buns, Jesus, and Coffee, because those are 3 things that I focus on every day. Not today with the messy buns. Oh, and also my roots are terrible. Anyways, y'all aren't here for that. Okay, so I will have my clothing store linked down below for y'all. It's Teespring, and I'll just have it linked down below. But I also just added a lot of kids t-shirts and onesies and matching hoodies and t-shirts for moms. So all of those say His love endures forever, and they have this really cute gold geometric circle with some flowers around it. So pretty. I'm excited to get, I don't know if I want to get the jacket or if I want to get a t-shirt, because I already got a hoodie. But that's when you know that you're designing stuff that you love because you want to wear it too. So, okay, so let me go ahead and show y'all the spring decor in my kitchen, because I did put that in the title. I'm so excited. So many of you have asked about this, so I thought I would share where I got it from. All right, so you walk in the back door, and we got our deep freezer right here, and then our kitchen table right here with these pretty blue curtains. And you come in. Also, I didn't share with y'all, Aaron, I know it's not the same, I don't think it's from the same vinyl that we used before, but he did patch this. There was like a big rip in the floor, so he patched it yesterday, and I love that he did that. And I don't have to worry about tripping or falling anymore. And you know, even though it doesn't look like the same pattern, it's the same color, so it kind of blends in all right. Okay, so a lot of y'all have been asking me about this, or you've just said that you love it. I showed it the other day on my Instagram stories when I was doing dishes and about to cook some hot dogs. So I got this from Walmart near the Pioneer Woman section, and like lunch boxes and stuff. It says happiness is only a cupcake away. Best thing about it is it was only like $7. It doesn't have any pockets, which is kind of a bummer, but it is really good to make sure that your clothes, like this part of your shirt when you're doing dishes, doesn't get soaking wet. If you're like me, mine always does. So I love this so much. And also, you don't have to worry about getting oil stains all over your clothes. So yeah, they had a couple. This one has cupcakes. I can't remember what the other one had. It may have been some kind of drinks. So here is my towels and my oven mitts. All of them are from Hobby Lobby's new spring collection, so you should still be able to find them, and they may still be on sale. I got them when they were 40% off. So this is also Hobby Lobby, Dollar General. So I actually DIY'd this. Underneath here is just a regular potted tree that you'd get at the store. It's a cypress, so pretty. I think I need to give her some water. She's feeling a little prickly on some sides, but I took one of those things that I had from Dollar General. Let me show you. $5. It had a light green faux plant in it, like this. Well, actually you can't see it. Where is that plant? I don't know where that plant is. Okay, anyways, so it had this kind of greenery in it, okay? So I went ahead and took that out, and I DIY'd it to make it look like this. And this is real. So cute. So cute. Okay. Let's see. This is free family. But I also took that greenery and put it in here to make that look a little bit more springy. And then I just used a lot of fabric that I already had. So that's some burlap, I think. Some apples are in here. That's also from Hobby Lobby. I'll leave all my towels in it. I'm kind of just skimming through this real fast because I know a lot of you have already seen this stuff. So these bowls I got from Hobby Lobby. Let's see, this is another one of my house plants, and I just took some more of that burlap and kind of covered it to make it look prettier, because underneath I don't have pots for them yet, so I'm going to be doing that soon. Underneath there's just a clear, so I wanted to make it a little bit more springy. And then over here I have out my geranium. Oh my goodness, y'all, this dish liquid smells so good, and I love Mrs. Meyer's. I think they have great products. So the cleaning spray is fresh cut grass. As you can tell, I'm ready for spring. I'm still using the Christmas soap for my hands, but that's okay. And oh, here it is. Okay, so this is my lantern from Hobby Lobby, and if you open it, voila. So here's what that one that I put the tree in. That's what it originally looked like. This, it's just got foam in the bottom of it, and then all this greenery. So I put that in there, so it'd be like a little, it's my little secret garden. Okay, that's my vision. These pink chairs, people tell us all the time that they really like these. Aaron saw them somewhere and he thought they were nice and he bought them. They're definitely vintage, so I'm going to assume that he found them at a thrift store. I've never seen anything like these at a regular store, you know, in my time. So I don't know, they just remind me of, like, give me a decade, because I feel like 70s, I'm not really sure. But I love them. I like the gold. So this is what I want to do with the buttons. These are just silver buttons. Why am I calling them buttons? I'm so silly. Okay, I tried to wash them as good as I could, but you can tell on some of them, like I soaked these in Comet, but you can tell on some of them they're still a little bit rough around the edges. Don't worry about that. It's fine. So my plan to kind of go with the gold theme around the chairs, I have been seeing a lot of people in their white kitchens, they have it's like clear, and then it has a gold little strip on each side. I think those are so pretty. So I want to do the vertical ones up there and replace those, and then I want to get, they just look like little clear rhinestones, like a you know, like a rock. With the gold would be like right there, and then this whole thing would be like a ball of clear, almost like a crystal. Very, very pretty. So I may look for Amazon. I'll just figure out where's the cheapest place to get those, but that's definitely what my goal is, to make this a little bit even more fresh than it is, because I painted it and I told Aaron, he's so worried about the white. He thinks it's going to stain, it's going to get scuffed up and everything. So I said, you know, that's fine. I don't mind maintenance with these cabinets. I just want them to be bright. So some of the cabinets need a little bit more white, and I'm out of paint. So a lot of you have mentioned to me to get the Kilts paint from, I think, I know I watched Carrie Lynn and she said she got it from Walmart. So I will, the next time I get paint, I will get the white from that brand, because it's supposed to be a really good paint to cover up things and everything. So yeah, this is my kitchen. I I love it. We're not really supposed to like idolize things or put anything above God, but I do feel like you should be able to enjoy the things that you have. And I feel like after I got done with this room, I just feel like there's so many more cooking videos now that I feel like doing. Like I want to be in this room all the time. And I feel like if you're at home and you have a room that you really want to be in, but you find yourself like never in there, see if you can zhuzh it up a little bit. Paint it or something. Make it yours. I never thought that we would change anything with this house, but I think we're going in the direction of making this house our home. And if we ever feel like moving in the future, it just makes this home more appealing to someone else that can live here. So we'll probably be here for a very, very long time. I wouldn't say that it's our forever home, but it could be. So we want to make it look as pretty as we can and make it be ours, you know. So anyways, it's time for me to read the comment of the day. Alright, so this comment is from Patty. It was on the new kitchen, spend the day with me. And I think tomorrow's video is going to be a spend the day with me. A lot of you have been coming to me telling me that you have cabin fever and you just feel kind of down and you're so tired of the weather and all the things going on aside from weather in the world. So I feel like tomorrow is just a good day to have a relaxed video where we just hang out. We cook together. I may make some cookies, like homemade cookies from scratch. So yeah, tomorrow is just going to be a fun hangout day for us, and then Wednesday I will have a cleaning video. But Patty said, I just love watching you. You're down to earth and I feel like I have a friend. Thank you. So on that note, thank you, Patty. And yes, you do. All of you that watch, comment, all those things, I do feel like we are friends. So it's just encouragement for me also to continue doing this. I know last week I was like, I'm just gonna do 3 videos a week. Well, I had so many of y'all message me and be like, hey, did I miss it? Did you not post a video today? I really like your 5 days a week videos. So I'm like, okay, I'm not burdening them with 5 videos a week. They really want to see every day. So I'm like, I can do this. Like, anyways, okay, I'm getting off of here. I'm just feeling a little fun and exciting today. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave all your comments down below. I will reply to them, and I'll see you back here tomorrow and we can spend the day together because y'all really enjoyed the last one I did. So yeah, okay, bye.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.